Smart spending strategies, making every dollar count. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In a world where financial stability is a constant pursuit, mastering the art of smart spending becomes crucial. The ability to make every dollar count is not just about frugality, it's about adopting strategies that align with your financial goals and values. In this video, we will explore various smart spending strategies that can empower you to maximize the impact of your hard-earned money. 1. Create a budget, the foundation of smart spending. The cornerstone of any effective financial plan is a well-crafted budget. A budget provides a comprehensive overview of your income, expenses, and savings goals. By creating a budget, you gain insight into your spending habits, identify areas for improvement, and set the stage for intentional spending. Start by categorizing your expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses include necessities like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Variable expenses cover discretionary spending such as dining out, entertainment, and non-essential purchases. Allocate a specific portion of your income to each category, ensuring that your spending aligns with your financial priorities. 2. Prioritize needs over wants. Distinguishing between needs and wants is crucial for effective budgeting. Needs are essential for your well-being and survival, while wants are non-essential desires. Prioritizing needs over wants ensures that your basic requirements are met. Before allocating resources to discretionary spending, consider adopting the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income covers needs, 30% goes towards wants, and 20% is allocated to savings and debt repayment. This balanced approach helps prevent impulsive spending on non-essential items, fostering financial discipline. 3. Embrace minimalism. Less is more. In a consumer-driven society, the allure of material possessions can lead to unnecessary spending. Embracing minimalism involves decluttering your life, both physically and financially. Evaluate your belongings and expenses, keeping only what adds value and joy to your life. Minimalism extends beyond material possessions. It's a mindset that encourages intentional living. By adopting a minimalist lifestyle, you can cut down on excessive spending, reduce financial stress, and focus on what truly matters. 4. Take advantage of technology. Apps for financial fitness. In the digital age, numerous apps and tools are designed to streamline your financial management. Utilize budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard to track your spending. Set financial goals and receive real-time insights into your financial health. Automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers to a dedicated savings account. Additionally, leverage cashback and rewards apps to earn benefits on your everyday purchases. These technological tools can turn smart spending into a more manageable and efficient process. 5. Shop strategically. Discounts, coupons, and loyalty programs. Strategic shopping involves seeking out discounts, utilizing coupons, and capitalizing on loyalty programs. Before making a purchase, compare prices across different retailers and look for promotional offers. Many online platforms offer browser extensions that automatically apply relevant coupon codes during checkout. Take advantage of loyalty programs offered by retailers and credit cards. Accumulate points or cashback rewards that can be redeemed for future purchases or used to offset other expenses. Smart spending extends beyond the act of buying. It involves making informed choices that optimize your overall financial well-being. 6. Meal planning and cooking at home. One of the significant contributors to discretionary spending is dining out. While the occasional restaurant visit can be enjoyable, making it a frequent habit can strain your budget. Smart spending in the realm of food involves meal planning and preparing meals at home. Create a weekly meal plan, make a shopping list, and buy groceries in bulk to save on costs. Cooking at home not only allows you to control the ingredients, but also proves to be more economical in the long run. Allocate a portion of your budget for dining out, but reserve it for special occasions to strike a balance between enjoyment and financial responsibility. 7. Invest in quality and longevity. Smart spending isn't just about saving money in the short term. It's about making informed decisions that contribute to long-term financial health. Invest in quality products that offer durability and longevity, even if they come with a higher upfront cost. Consider the total cost of ownership rather than just the initial price. Quality items may have a higher upfront investment, but their longevity often leads to cost savings over time. This approach applies to various aspects of life, from clothing and electronics to furniture and vehicles. 8. Review and adjust. Adapt to changing circumstances. Financial circumstances are dynamic, and your smart spending strategies should evolve accordingly. Regularly review your budget, assess your financial goals, and adjust your spending plan as needed. Life events such as job changes, family expansions, or unexpected expenses may require modifications to your budget and priorities. Be proactive in identifying areas where you can optimize spending, negotiate bills, reassess subscription services, and look for new opportunities to save. Staying vigilant and adaptable ensures that your smart spending strategies remain effective throughout different phases of your life. 9. Emergency fund, a safety net for smart spenders. Building and maintaining an emergency fund is a fundamental aspect of smart spending. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net, preventing you from dipping into long-term savings or accumulating debt in times of crisis. Strive to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This reserve can cover unforeseen medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, allowing you to navigate challenges without derailing your overall financial plan. 10. Educate yourself, financial literacy for long-term success. Knowledge is a powerful tool when it comes to smart spending. Educate yourself on personal finance principles, investment strategies, and economic trends. Understanding the fundamentals empowers you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Take advantage of online resources, books, and courses that cater to financial literacy. The more you know about managing money, the better equipped you are to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape. Continuous learning ensures that your smart spending strategies remain relevant and effective over time. In conclusion, smart spending is not about depriving yourself, but about making intentional choices that align with your financial goals. By creating a budget, prioritizing needs over wants, embracing minimalism, leveraging technology, and adopting other strategies discussed in this article, you can make every dollar count. Remember that smart spending is a lifelong journey, and as you evolve, so should your financial strategies. Start implementing these strategies today and watch as your financial well-being transforms for the better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams.